get bot lobbies in Fortnite Creative. So as you guys can see right here, I have 2 bots in my lobby. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get that. So what you have to do first is go to add friends. Then once you're here, you just gonna have to copy all the names I'm gonna put right here. So this is number 1. You can add that bot. They're always gonna add you back. This is number 2, so I'm gonna give like 5 bots. You could also add him. It's number 3. Just pause the video and just look over it. It's number 3 right here. You could also add that bot. This is 4, 5, 6. You can add any of those bots on my friend list too. So if you guys want more bots right here, it's number 1. That's 5 bots right there. If you guys need more bots, just let me know in the comment section and I'm gonna put new bots you guys could add. But then once you add the bots, what you have to do is just invite them. So just invite them. Just invite one of them. Now as you guys can see, all the bots added me back and they're all in my lobby. So I'm gonna just kick one of them out. Now that you're left with one bot, you can literally do anything you want. So I'm gonna put on Battle Royale. I'm gonna put on duos and I'm already up. As you guys can see, I'm in the game and everybody here is a bot. So he's a bot, he's a bot, he's a bot. Everybody here is a bot. Thank you for watching the video. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.